Imagine an app that promises to pay you for recording your phone calls, only to expose your most private conversations to the world. That's exactly what happened with Neon, a viral call recording app that skyrocketed to the top of the Apple App Store charts until it all came crashing down. But here's where it gets controversial. While Neon claimed to be a lucrative opportunity for users, it turns out the real profit was in selling your data to AI companies. Now, after a massive security flaw left users' phone numbers, call recordings, and transcripts vulnerable, Neon has gone dark, leaving us to wonder, was this a well-intentioned startup that stumbled, or a cautionary tale about the dangers of data exploitation? And this is the part most people miss. The app's servers were so poorly secured that anyone could access another user's private data with just a few clicks. Let's dive in. Neon burst onto the scene just last week, offering users a seemingly simple deal. Record your calls, earn money, and help train AI models. The concept was a hit, with thousands of users signing up and 75,000 downloads in a single day, according to app figures. But beneath the surface, something far more troubling was brewing. During a routine test, TechCrunch uncovered a critical security flaw. Neon's servers were not restricting access to user data. This meant that anyone, yes, anyone, could view another user's phone numbers, call recordings, and transcripts simply by knowing where to look. Here's how it worked. After creating a test account and verifying a phone number, our team used a network analysis tool called Burp Suite to inspect the app's data flow. What we found was shocking. While the app displayed only basic information to users, like a list of recent calls and earnings, the underlying data was wide open. For instance, we discovered web links to audio files and full call transcripts that were publicly accessible. To illustrate, one of our test calls between two TechCrunch reporters confirmed the recording worked. But it also revealed how easily this data could be exploited. And here's the real kicker. Neon's servers weren't just leaking our data, they were spilling everyone's. We found that the app could generate metadata, including phone numbers, call durations, and earnings for any user. Worse, it provided public links to raw audio files and transcripts of conversations. While the recordings only captured the voices of Neon users, not the people they called, the implications were still alarming. Some users appeared to be exploiting the app to record real-world conversations covertly, raising ethical questions about consent and privacy. Within hours of our discovery, Neon's founder, Alex Kayam, took the app offline. Users received an email stating the app was temporarily shut down to add extra layers of security. Notably, the email made no mention of the security breach or the exposed data. As of now, it's unclear when or if Neon will return, and whether app stores like Apple and Google will take action. Neither company has commented on whether Neon violated their developer guidelines. This isn't the first time apps with glaring security issues have slipped through the cracks. Just recently, the dating app T suffered a breach that exposed user images and identity documents, while Bumble and Hinge were caught leaking user locations in 2024. Yet, despite these recurring issues, malicious apps continue to find their way onto major platforms. When questioned, Kayam remained tight-lipped about whether Neon underwent a security review before launch, or if any user data had been compromised. Investors Upfront Ventures and X-Fund, who Kayam claims backed the app, have also stayed silent. But here's the question we can't ignore. In the race to monetize user data, how much privacy are we willing to sacrifice? And who's really to blame when apps like Neon fail to protect us? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. This is a conversation we all need to have.